Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Our CEO will be joining us in a minute. After that, we will be starting with our meeting.
Hello, everyone, and a very good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon.
First of all, thank you so much for joining in this today's online meet. And I can see that you guys are adapting with this new normal gradually. I feel immense pleasure to address our valuable managerial board. Without you, Eclipse Mobile Company wouldn't have continued to flourish. Each one of you is an important part of what is making Eclipse what it is today, and most importantly, what we are becoming in future and beyond. Last time, I had made certain comments about transformation from a producer of best in class component products into a new solution oriented approach centered around customer use cases through a new upcoming phone. We already have had great success with the customers that demand the highest quality product and the ones that are willing to pay a premium price for its benefits. These are the ones that appreciate our unique advantage. Although these customers are the foundation of the business and our loyal customers that will be continuing to invest in our future products. But we have to think bigger and better to expand into new markets and drive the growth. I believe that there's a great opportunity to examine how a production of new phone Eclipse Fusion 1, which is to be launched, can be an ingredient into a brand that is bigger and offers more and more offerings. So let's go towards proceeding. During our today's meet, I encourage all of you to participate actively in the conversation, and I look forward to hear what's on top of mind for all of you. Mr. Devansha, I would now like you to start with the conversation according to the agenda.
Yes, sure. I welcome you all to this meeting for the purpose of approval of topics and to discuss the agenda which have been circulated to all the members in well advance. Since Ms. Pallavi has already confirmed that all the directors are present, we can commence the proceedings of the meeting. Since the quorum is present, let's take the first item on the agenda. The minutes of the previous meeting of the board held on 18th August have already been circulated to all of you as required through mail.
Since all the directors have given their approval for the minutes content which was sent via email to them by the company, shall we take same on record?
Yes, ma'am, no objections.
Okay, as all the members have already approved the minutes of the previous meeting, let's take the next item on the agenda. Now, as we are very near to the start of our production, I would like to perceive all the risk factor before we are ready for launching in the market.
Yes, resolving risk is a must for any production, and in case of our production, not only risk factors but also pandemic situation becomes a big challenge. So project manager Mr. Vinish Shinde can give us a clear view of the ongoing state of affairs.
Yeah, sure. Sir, in the last meeting, I had provided the details of the total budget for the completion of phase 1 production, which was about 5,000 crore. But due to 1 month complete lockdown, I'm afraid we'll be needing 13% more capital investment in it due to lack of resources. The companies that provided the essentials have increased their prices.
Basically, this has occurred due to the shutdown of market of all of our tied up companies. Also, we have to make up for the losses in the past few months.
Even if we consider that we aren't prepared for 13% of more investment in the project department because we are also facing the same downfall due to the lockdown, what do you suggest, ma'am?
Okay, I've considered the problem put forth by Mr. Vineet Shinde, but as we have publicized the launch date in advance, we cannot take a step back. Any suggestions for this?
Okay, how about removing the chargers from the box? Most of our customers have the adapters and cables which support our charging system.
Mr. Vineet, in which role will it help our company? I didn't get your point. Can you please elaborate?
Sure, Ms. Khushbu. We can remove the chargers from the package box and reduce the production cost. Adding on, we can sell our chargers separately from which will be helpful for the finance department. What do you think about this, Mr. Harshit?
Yeah, basically, I would avoid this idea because by doing this, this will make our product less appealing to the general customer. I would like to share some study report done in the sales sector. Shall I?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yes, continue.
So as we can see here, after the launch of Eclipse One Pro, we have captured the premium segment market, right? But in 2013 and 14, there is we can see that there is a fall in a market good. This has occurred because of removing the earphones from the production line of Eclipse 2. This has been disliked by the community and the general audience also. Likewise, if you remove the charger from the production line of Eclipse Fusion 1, then it will definitely be very bad for a company.
Yes, Mr. Harshit. That's what I was skeptical about too. Removing charges is not good for a company's reputation. So I suppose we should avoid this idea.
Okay. I would like to point out a problem that due to COVID-19, many raw materials are delaying their shipments, and this is causing a significant delay in manufacturing process.
In such a scenario, company will face tremendous loss, and there are chances that shareholders and investors will terminate the contract with the company.
Well, in that case, every year we keep roughly 30% of finances for emergency circumstances. I recommend we can use that for now. And as for the raw materials, I believe we must contact more supplier chains and they will fulfill our production demand.
Very well, but then we'll have to increase the product price as well. Miss Pallavi, do note these changes as confirmation.
Yes, noted.
There is one more issue I would like to bring to your notice. As the project manager, the production team has informed me that the workers are now demanding for health insurance from the company to restart their work. Also, they demand to be provided with proper COVID precautionary kit like testing machines, hand gloves, masks, and sanitizer over all the factories. This is an immediate issue we need to tackle right now.
A company can provide up to 50% of medical expenditure if any of our employees are affected by COVID-19.
Yes, we will be providing all the essential stuffs and all the safety precautions will be taken, including isolated workspaces.
I think this discussion will give a sense of satisfaction to all workers of our company. I'll keep a report of all discussed solution with me. Moving further on our discussion, Mr. Josh Nimje, can you give an update about the latest implementations?
Sure. Let me present to you our prototype here. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So this is our prototype. As we discussed in our last meeting, this prototype has been finalized and submitted for quality testing and inspection purposes. After considering all the aspects, the reports for the same will be provided next week. We are planning on the expansion of service centers across all the cities for convenience and reachability of customers. So we should start hiring more qualified employees to fulfill. Now, what do you suggest, Mr. Vineet?
Yes, we have been in talks with all the officials to expand our service center infrastructure and ask the HR to start hiring more qualified employees for the same.
Okay, well, going to the next objective, I would like to ask Mr. Josh Nimje about the OS used in our product.
Okay. So we have taken feedback from community about the OS and have made the OS clean and smooth here. So we have implemented many unique features to improve camera quality and overall speed of the phone. Now this will give us an edge over others.
Good.
Okay, what about the software development cycle?
Yes, the Android community has been facing a lot of criticism because of lack of support, and as many companies don't support their older phones. Thus, we are planning to give software support for about 5 years, so making it appealing to the customers and giving them assurance for long term.
But are we ready to support our phone for 5 years? Is it feasible for us?
Yes, it will make our phone unique from others.
The next agenda of today's meeting is marketing and sponsorship. So I would like Mr. Harshit Salian to give an overview of the current market.
Yeah, sure. As per our previous meeting, a talk with Activision gaming company has to partnership with our flagship product has been finalized under the terms and condition of launching their newly exclusive game in a flagship phone. This will create a surge in popularity and hype the product. A move that we can shift our ad distribution market by tying up with e-commerce giant and consolidating our advertising system from 40 down to one global advertising agency, WPP. It uses promotional tools such as sponsorship and online advertising to strengthen the brand recognition.
Well, that's a great idea. I second it.
Okay. So it has been moved and seconded that we shift our ads distribution by tying up with Amazon and consolidate down to WPP. Anyone have another opinion for this?
No.
Anyone? Okay, then this is approved.
Also, I would like to talk about marketing strategy. Right now, a company have a good network of users. We can create a forum where user can discuss about the product and we can focus on the necessary aspects of it. Also, we can tie up with tech journalists and ask them to promote our product.
That's a great idea. I suppose we should implement this.
Okay, then Mr. Ashutosh Shukla, can you look into the legal matter of this?
Yes, I'll need a day's time to make an embargo regarding this and send it to the text journalist to make sure that they do not leak the details before our official release date. Also, make sure that they sign on this document and return it before you send them the products.
Okay, so moving on next agenda, Mr. Ashutosh, can you give a brief idea of legal issues we are currently facing with?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I was recently notified by our senior developer, Jash Nimde, that about the algorithm overlap with our competitors. The overlap is well beyond the allowed 30%, and we could very well be sued for this. Also, since there are fierce competitors, this might create a big scene out of this and thus hinder our public image. So, my advice would be to make sure that necessary changes in the algorithm just enough so that the overlap comes out to be less than 30%.
Okay, so we would have to alter the algorithms accordingly to reduce its overlap without reducing any performance of the code. My team will be working on that part and will be informing it up very soon.
Also, I have examined the legal documents regarding the deal for OLED panels and I did not find any problems regarding that.
Okay, so we can go ahead with that.
I applaud your presence for this important meeting. All the agenda are discussed thoroughly with the complete acknowledgement of managing directors. So we adjourn this meeting over here, and the next meeting will be held on 12th October, that is Monday, at 2 p.m. in the meeting room. So I will send notice with the further details or if there are any changes. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.